What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So like I promised, we're gonna get these wheels on. I don't know if you guys watched my last video. You guys saw that we got some wheels for the Panda, the crew cab, the GMC. So check them out. There they are. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get those on. We're gonna try to do like a test fit, see what they look like, and whatnot. So hang tight real quick, all right? Here, let me turn this around real quick. All right, so here it is. This is the Panda. All right, this is what it looks like. If you guys notice, it looks a little higher in the front. Okay. Let's see if I can go to the other side, get a better angle. All right, here we go. There we go. So that's a little better angle. Okay. So, like I said, I was able to do the 2.5-inch Motorfab leveling kit in the front. So it should be all leveled out right now. It might still be a tad bit higher in the back, but not by much. All right. So this is the 2018 GMC Sierra elevation, paint matched front bumper, paint matched rear bumper. And let me see if I can get a shot of the Motorfab 2.5-inch leveling kit for you guys. There it is. So that is the 2.5-inch Motorfab leveling block, leveling kit, whatever you guys want to call it. All right. So this is what she looks like a little before. Why not? Okay. So let's see what it's gonna look like. You guys ready? Because I know I'm ready. The sun finally came out. So, finally gonna do this. Long time coming. All right, hang tight, guys. All right, guys. So, I'm gonna do one wheel at a time. Currently, I only have one jack. I know I can use jack stands, but nah, just do one wheel at a time. Just for why not? So, jacked it up. It's on jack stands. Okay. I broke the wheel free. Okay. So I'm gonna take it off and I'll get right back with you. The wheel is off. We're gonna go from that to that. All right. Big change, big change. Long time coming, like I said. Those of you guys who follow me on Instagram, you guys know I've been waiting for a little bit for this full size. Obviously the single cab, there she is, a little dirty, but unfortunately when I did all the work on that, I didn't videotape it, so now all I have is pretty much to go over it, reviews and whatnot. But this one I'm just getting started, so this time I'm gonna try to film everything I can. So like I said, here it is, wheel off, on jack stands. You got the Motorfab 2.5-inch leveling kit. Okay, there it is. All right, so let's see. You know what? I think we should probably take this mud flap off. Honestly, I mean, why not? I mean, it's not gonna look very good with it on, with the wheels. So I think I'm actually gonna take this off, and we might take this off, you know. So let's take this off first. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So mud flap is off. Couple screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 on the bottom. All right. So that's done. All right. Let's get this wheel on. Enough of this back and forth crap. Let's do it. All right, guys, there it is. What do you guys think? Huh? Big difference, right? RBPs. All right. So let's tighten them up. Put the center cap on there. And maybe we'll just tighten them up. And then we'll drop it. And we'll do the back. And see how it's gonna look, at least one side. And then we'll do the other side. And then see what it looks like. And then do like a little overview, little walk around. And then I guess we'll go for a little test drive and see where it's gonna rub. If it's gonna rub. It looks like it'll clear. I think it'll be fine. But once I lower it, or once I drop it, I mean off the jack stand, you never know. Because right now it's pretty lifted. So we'll see. All right. But that looks pretty nice, huh? I think so myself. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. Told you guys it's gonna look primo. It's gonna look all right. Let's continue with this video. All right, guys, so let's drop this thing. All right, so there it is. It's on the floor. No jack stands. You guys think it's gonna clear? What do you guys think? So there it is. There it is on the floor. No jack stand. What do you guys think? I got a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Enough to turn, probably, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Back here, I think we're legit down here. I think we'll be alright. There it is. Look at that. What a big difference, huh? Little side view. Huh? Little side view. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me put the other one on and see what it's gonna look like on one side. But we get the idea. Looks pretty good. Nice little poke. All right, hang tight. I'm gonna do the back. All right, guys. So there it is. One side is done. All right. Check out the stance. You guys like the stance? Off jack stands, off the jack. Side view stance. Looks nice. Okay. There it is. Normal. Just like that. What do you guys think? Looks good, huh? Like I said, it's gonna look primo. In other words, real good. All right. We're getting somewhere now. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do the other side. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like always, make sure you follow my channel. And also follow my Instagram. My Instagram is the same username as my YouTube. Carlitos _ the word 8 and then the number 8. Carlitos _ 88. Let's see if we can get this truck little props out there when you guys see it. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna do the other side, and I'll probably do like another quick overview real quick before I log out. But for now, stand by, and if I don't see you guys again, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notifications. And there it is. That is the Panda 2018 GMC Sierra, leveled, 2.5-inch Motofab leveling kit in the front, and the wheels. All right guys, so I'm gonna do a quick walk around. Like I said, I was all wheels are installed. They all been torqued down to spec. So let's go with the walk around. Check it out. All right, so here it is. This is the stance for right now. All right. Let me know what you guys think. All right. Other side. Better angle right here. What do you guys think? Side view. Check the stance on this side. All right. A little higher. All right, so drop a comment. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and like I said, go over to Instagram and follow my page, Carlitos _ the word 8 and then the number 8, Carlitos _ 88. And yeah, we'll see what else we gotta do. I'll make another video for like the trimming, if there's any scrubbing and all that good stuff. Okay, so hang tight guys, until next time.